Okay, the brothers are heading up after our class. Let's see what's going on. I heard Dez already.
You eat food and you kind of like, okay, that was okay. But they were satisfied, Sister Wisdom. Not only did Jesus feed them, but they were satisfied and still had food left over. That shows you that God can take a little and feed a whole lot and still have some left over because he can do all things. So in this lesson, I found out that Jesus taught them because he's the shepherd and they are the sheep. So he taught them. Not only that, he took what the disciples, what they found, and fed the people. So that showed me God can do all things. So that's what I got from this lesson today.
Amen.
Amen.
Vacation Bible School, June 3rd, 2009. 10 treasure seekers, total students greater than 13, total offering $52.55.
All right.